Welcome. Today, we'll explore systolic arrays, a fascinating type of parallel processor. Think of it like the rhythmic flow of blood through your arteries. That's the inspiration behind their design. Systolic arrays are essentially networks of identical processing units working together. They pack hundreds of thousands of transistors onto a single chip, enabling massive parallel processing. The key is the rhythmic flow of data, hence the name, inspired by the Hertz systolic phase. Notice the local interconnections. Each processor only talks to its immediate neighbors, simplifying the design. Systolic arrays find applications in various computationally intensive tasks. We'll focus on matrix multiplication today, but they're also used for solving linear equations and bit serial processing. Their advantages include high efficiency due to parallelism, simplified interconnections, and scalability for handling larger problems. Let's look at matrix multiplication. We want to compute L is equal to Px/Q. The P matrix enters from the left, Q from the right, and partial results of L from the bottom. Intermediate values flow upward through the array, and the final result of L emerges at the top. This rhythmic flow is the essence of systolic processing. This diagram shows a single processing stage. An element of the P matrix arrives from the upper left, an element of the Q matrix from the upper right, and a partial result of L from the bottom. The calculation is performed, and the updated L element moves upward to the next stage. This process repeats rhythmically across the entire array. Key points for exam. Definition. Systolic arrays are parallel processors with rhythmic data flow, inspired by human circulation. Local interconnections. Processors only communicate with neighbors, reducing complexity. Applications. Matrix multiplication. Solving linear equations. Bit serial processing. Matrix multiplication computes L is equal to P times Q. P enters from the left, Q from the right, and partial results of L from the bottom. Intermediate values flow upward until the final result emerges. Advantages: high efficiency, simplified interconnections, scalability.